In this video, I'm about to show you how to begin create a landing page on Shopify. First, visit the Shopify admin website on your browser. Once logged in, search for Pagefly and select it. Now, click the install button to begin installing the app. Then, click install to give access to view your personal data. To start optimization, click the enable UI optimization or later. After that, you'll be welcomed to Pagefly. To get started, click the next select page type button. Next, select which editor to design your page with, such as Legacy Editor. Once on the page editor, choose any layout and add it to your design. On the right side, you can set the number of columns to add. You need to drop elements here in the columns and click Enable Pagefly Themes extension to enable it. On the left side, go to the Elements tab and scroll down to reach Images. Now click on it to set the image layout on the screen. You can add more media option by selecting the column and replacing it with a new option. It allows you to add paragraphs, YouTube videos, images, buttons, and more. Next, drag your media from the device and drop it on the Shopify website. If there's no image font, then click the media icon on the top of the right panel. On the next page, choose the media you like to add and then upload. Once added to the page, design and edit on the right side. Here, you can edit title text, display, action buttons, ratio, and more. If you want to add animation, then click on it and select the style of animation from the pop-up menu. When you are done, click the Save button in the top right corner and then Save. After saving it, you can preview it and publish it. To publish, enter the page title and the page URL. Once it's published, you can preview it and customize it more if needed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.